I've got a really pretty soft card with another stamp to die for you. I think this is really, really an elegant Christmas card. We'll show you what we're using. First up, I have the Natalie's Holly Scroll. This is one of the stamps to die for that matches our Natalie die. And this is the Natalie die. And we're going to cut it out with the inner cutting circle on that frame. And then I'm also going to be using the overlay from the Overlay and Ornament die set. And we're going to be doing a bit of embossing right off the bat with the Holly Scroll. And this is one of our new 3D embossing folders. It's really, really pretty. I've got a piece of milk colored card, and I'll give you a quick measurement. It is 5 1/4 by 7 1/4 inches. I'm going to put that inside of our folder. There we go. And we are going to switch out our cutting plate for our raspberry adapter. There we go. Pop that down. There we go. You can see the beautiful detail from that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the relief on that. Now what we want to do is bring in some of the Enchanted Gold Gilding Polish to go over the top of that. You can see how beautiful that is. It's got a little applicator here. I'm going to pick up a little bit. Don't need too much. We're just going to go right over the top of this. And it'll just pick up all of that beautiful detail. Oh, love the way that looks. A little bit more. There we go. Now when you use your gilding polish, what you might want to do also is take it and put a little spritz of water when you use them. That keeps them from drying out. They're water-based, so do that. And you can see just how gorgeous that is. You can see all the shine coming through. Now on milk card, it comes off as almost like a platinum. You do see the gold when you turn it a little bit to the side. But when you put this same color gilding polish on black card, it really does look like metal. It's so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and put that into place. We've got a backing here that I've done with milk card that I've paper pierced the edge, and a little bit of antique gold card as a mat, and another piece of milk card. There we go. Okay, so now I've gone ahead and I've stamped, and I've actually colored already, but I'll show you what we've used, and then I've used a little sentiment in the middle. I've just used some distressed markers. I've got some tumbled glass around the edge. I've used some antique linen, some scattered straw, festive berries, and I've used crushed olive and forest moss for the greenery on this. But it's just a real simple stamp to color, and we're going to cut it out with the outer cutting die. There are 3 of them in there. So let me bring back my cutting plates here. And you're going to pop this into place and tape it. There's going to be a little bit of a border around it, so you just want to center it up. Get it as equal as you can. There we go. Tape that into place. Pop that back onto our magnetic sheet. There we go. So now I've cut 2 of the overlays, and I've just sort of put them in so that they've crisscrossed and sort of hooked together, and then just put a little bit of glue on either side right there. So they're going to create the base for our card. So I think I'll just use a little bit of glue on the back of this because there's quite a bit of open space there. Pop some Cosmic Shimmer glue around the edges here. Oops. There we go, lay that flat. You could use spray glue if you like too. I think this is going to be a nicer hold on it. Okay, I'm going to put that right into the middle. Just seat that, and it'll take up that nice open area in that frame part of that embossing folder. So pretty. There we go. And we're going to put some mounting foam on the back of our stamped image. In fact, we'll raise it up a little bit, get some dimension on it. We're going to pop this just into place, and I should be able to actually catch under. So it looks like it's being held into place here. Just like that. There we go. So it looks like it's just holding on to that stamped image right there. And there you have it, quick and easy, beautiful stamped Christmas card for any recipient.